Hi, my name's Sam Bott and I'm a Japanese drinks expert. I've teamed up with Spirits of Anarchy to create a new sake for the UK, Momoshu. This is a typical classic Junmai sake blended with Japanese-inspired peach syrup, which gives you a nice, delicate, easy drinking sake. Traditional Japanese sake is light, mild and easy drinking, relatively low sugar content, or you can get other concepts like umeshu, plum sake, which most people know. That is traditionally a shochu or a distilled alcohol with sugar and fruit flavored added. We've done something completely different. This product, KABUKI, is a mix of the two. We've got traditional Japanese sake. We've taken one of Japan's favorite fruits, the peaches, and mixed the two together. So at the heart of this, we have a traditional Japanese sake with the exquisite flavor of Japanese peaches. Typically, people see sake as quite alcoholic. Now, that's not true. Most Japanese sake will come in around about 15% alcohol. Our Momoshu is 14%, which means it's light, refreshing, easy drinking, and perfect for the summer, for barbecues, on ice, or drinking with Prosecco. With this Momoshu, we wanted to create something that was different and innovative, something that was accessible for everybody and different if you've never had sake before or familiar if you have. With this sake, we recommend drinking it on its own. On the nose, it's very familiar of Junmai sake, which is a traditional everyday style of sake. On the palate, the first thing you get is that traditional sake flavor, and then on the finish, you finish off with a nice, subtle sweetness. Whilst we've designed this to drink on its own or over ice, you can of course mix it into cocktails. The team at Spirits of Anarchy have created a bunch of recipes on their website for you to have a look and be inspired by. Kanpai.